Hi, I'm Roger. We can't wait to see you for our virtual annual meeting on July 17th. We've invested in a unique interactive platform to provide a great experience that won't replace us being in person, but will allow us to see each other, share ideas, and network. To get you prepared and to get the most from the event, there is a brief tutorial prepared by our TekieGeek, Mike Bloomfield, that will explain and show you how best to use the platform. Please look at the tutorial prior to the meeting, and again, I hope to see you all on the 17th.
Hi, it's Mike Bloomfield with TekieGeek, and I wanted to give you a rundown of using the Remo platform as an attendee. The first thing you will do will be to visit the event landing page. If the event had started, you'll have the ability to sign in to join the event. If the event had not started, there will be a button to save a spot as well as a countdown. You also could share the event to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or copy the link to share with your colleagues. Let's get signed in. You'll enter your email address, enter your name, and create a password. Agree to the terms, select Join Event Now. The first time you connect, it will give you a rundown. We're going to skip that, but when you get connected, you can go through that rundown if you choose to. Remo is extremely interactive, and you want to allow camera and microphone access. If you're using Google Chrome, you'll accept the... Now, once this comes up, here's where you could change everything. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to change and select the Logitech camera. I'm going to select the proper microphone. And the proper speaker. I'm going to head and select Cam and Mic Work Great, join the event. If you are having trouble, feel free to select this button below. Once you get connected, it will automatically put you at a table within the platform. It will equalize, so it's going to try to spread out attendees. Once connected, I recommend you set up your profile. The best way to do that would be to select your icon up at the box, select My Profile, edit your profile, and add a profile picture, add a headline, your company, job title, a meeting schedule link if you have one, a LinkedIn public profile URL, a Facebook profile URL, and your website. Why that's helpful is while you're in the event, if you were to click on anyone's icon, you're able to see. So here's Mike Bloomfield, TekieGeek. You could select to access my LinkedIn, my Facebook, my website. You could book a meeting with me. So if you do have a Calendly link or any sort, this is a great thing because you're able to go ahead and just schedule a meeting, a one-on-one meeting. And you could private message. To turn on your camera, you would select the camera off button below. Once you turn your and as well your microphone, should you choose to. Once you turn on your camera, it'll show up here. Everyone at the table with you whose camera will be. You are interacting with everyone at the table with you. You also can select tile view. That'll bring up the bigger box for everyone who's connected. You could then go ahead and move tables. So if you wanted to move tables, you could jump around by double clicking. You will then be talking to anyone at that table. There are sponsors at the event, so please go ahead, click on a sponsor link. Any sponsored content will be there, and if you want to learn more, there will be buttons to access additional information about that sponsor. Sponsor tables are spread around the event. Let's move around. So super easy to move around. All you got to do is double click. There is also the ability to chat. So you could do a general chat to everybody. You could chat with the table you're at, or you could do private chats with different people who are connected to the event. You also have the ability to share your screen. There is a whiteboard option. Let me go back to the TekieGeek table. Let's pull up the whiteboard. The whiteboard is a place where you all could work together, load content, or a sponsor. And you could go ahead, you could write on this whiteboard, you could chat, a comment here. So whiteboarding allows you to work together. You could load YouTube videos, media, Dropbox files. So it's a good way for collaboration. Sponsors will have content loaded in the whiteboard. So the main thing you want to focus on is the double click to go from table to table. Make sure you have your camera on. You could select between, again, the different views, so tile view, floor view, ability to chat, share your screen, and to select users if you want to be able to book meetings and learn more about that user. So enjoy the event. The platform is really fun to use and just really helps to fill the void in a COVID era where in-person networking is non-existent. So enjoy the event, and please let us know if you have any questions.